Hello everyone, welcome to System of Rules. Today we are going to discussing about joint liability or constructive liability. A crime may be committed by an individual or in collaboration with others. In a case where an individual commits a crime, there would be no difficulty in assessing his criminal guilt. He can be punished according to the nature of the offense committed. The difficulty arises when several persons are engaged in the commission of an offense and different roles are played by each of such individuals. In a case where two or more persons are involved, either jointly or in group, and it is not possible to apportion criminal guilt of each of the participants, all the participants would be liable for the offense committed by any one or all the members of the group. This is based upon the doctrine of joint liability or constructive liability, or it is known as group liability. So, the provisions relating to joint liability are contained in section 34 to 38, 128 and 120b, 149, 396 and 460 of the Indian Penal Code. So moving on to the section 34 to 38, that is 34 to 38. That is section 34 to 38 deal with joint liability on the basis of common intention. Section 120A and 120B deals with joint liability of a member of a conspiracy to commit an offense. Section 149 deals with joint liability of members of an unlawful assembly when an offense is committed in prosecution of the common object of the unlawful assembly. Section 396 deals with joint liability of dacoits when a dacoit commits murder for committing dacoity. Section 460 deals with joint liability of persons concerned in lurking house trespass or house breaking by night when death or grievous hurt is caused by one of them. Thank you so much for watching this. In our next class, we will discuss about different forms of punishments.